how to delete a Facebook page within the Facebook app on an iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook page within the app on your phone. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone, and then select the menu button in the top left of the app to open up the menu. From here, what we need to do is switch to the profile of the Facebook page that we want to delete. So you could do that at the top here by selecting the little arrow down, and then just select the Facebook page. Now that we switch to the Facebook page, we just need to open the menu up again. And on an iPhone, you could do that by selecting the menu button up here in the top left. On an Android phone, it might be over here in the top right. So just open up the menu. And then in the menu, go down and select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. So now that we're in the settings for that Facebook page, we just need to scroll down near the bottom and you'll see Your Information, select Access and Control. And then we have a couple options here. If we want to permanently delete our Facebook page, just select Delete Page, then Continue, then select Continue. And then it'll give you some options to save your Facebook page information. If you want, you can download it, things like that. Select Continue. Go ahead and enter your Facebook password. And then once you enter your Facebook password, it'll confirm one more time that you do indeed want to permanently delete your Facebook page. And after that, your Facebook page will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.